My viewers and subscribers, I don't know the thing, man. I don't know what's in the link there from the link production. Giving thanks for life. You understand right now? Early in the morning, people, and I tell you, see today now, we can't cuss my roaster. I can't cuss none of my fall them. You know why I not cuss them people? And them just wake me up. You understand? Because I say, you know, so I have some video I want to do in the morning early. You know what I mean? I want to cover them story and I not like people. I remember if I set no alarm and the roaster them wake me up and say, new link, get up boy. And see it now, me up and running. Well, people, you know me I go talk about now people. As I see that video there now, right, when me just play. You understand? That today, man them will get deported back to Jamaica now, people. And the truth of the matter is, what I go tell about now, people. These 17 persons who come to Jamaica now, people, they hasn't been released to their family as yet because these persons have some serious thing on their head, people. You understand? You have gunmen, robbers, man who in this thing of your life sentence who them sent from England back to Jamaica, people. You know what I mean? And me just have to look into it and say, boy, it's set away now, people. It's set away because me know a lot of them persons, you know, out of the 17. None of them even have a house in Jamaica, even have a couple million in Jamaica, and have nothing. You get what me ask people, and I don't know why a lot of them are there in England for much years, people, and when me just say, yo, they waste time in England or they get dedicated to themselves in England, and you know what I mean, them there England and thing, and them not think, because in the end them not think, so you want to feed them country anything, can't man. In the end people, them are do things, meaning them are the wrong things that can lead them to be arrested, and them know the terms after arrest when it's not from certain country, that's deportation, and them not think them weird it. Well, in the end people, them say when I did know that show, so what me I just say, my advice to these men, them they are ready. We can't nothing about that. The plane land with 17. Them have 29 more in England there where them are, where it should have been on the plane, but them are revise a thing where them have a thing in the court, revise and see where maybe them can, you know what I mean? Hopefully them can get them stay back over there. But these 17 people are the crime with upon them head because them say them have a total of over 75 years imprisonment plus life sentence. You understand? Plus one life sentence. And when them check up the man in this, we have to go do all 10 years at Jamaica, 15 years, and enough look at something people. You get what I say? So the police have them on thing, and all me can tell is now people, yo, I don't know normal something, you know. They are a normal thing. You get me? But my advisors, what I said before, I get to them one is, listen me, when you come back here now, what they want to do in time at Jamaica in a cell, or you go straight back out the road there as you come, listen me, look back in on yourself, see mistake you want to make in on your life, because I tell you when I did not dash away, try to fix yourself, sort out yourself, find a job, save some money, and start a new foundation, a new plan to go forward. Nobody go pre-back ranks and say when you get deported or you come back on your head hot or you go out, they go do this and do that, because at the end now, I dead or not go dead. You get me? So it's either not get this chance and I want to get, if you go back, work, as I say, if you not go do no time or jail, you do you come back out of prison, or if you not go straight back a road, we understand. But nobody go pray, no negative things, and make problem in a Jamaica right now, because our country is on a rate where things not good, things not stay good, and a fix. They will fix like what Jimmy Crazy say, we want Jamaica to fix. You understand people? Remember Jimmy Crazy in there to say, we want Jamaica to fix. We don't need politics yet. So in the end, we want Jamaica to fix, and we don't need no politics, nor no deportation tricks. You understand? Now disrespect not deported, because in the end we do over here so too, and we can get deported too. So we not disown them, and we not diss them or anything, but always say, yo, make sure we come back, realize, look at ourselves, we make some mistake in the past, and we go forward with better. So you don't know what you think of viewers and subscribers, man. This is New Link from New Link Production, man, and we could So the topic and not going on blast pan it, you don't know the thing, you don't know, so we have to try our best to cover as much story as possible. Even though a whole story we not covered people, if we cover how much stories out there that been taking place in Jamaica and the Caribbean, boy, I tell you, I mean, I just depend this and just every day and a vlog, you know what I mean? But at the end, people will try our best to go on some of the best topics that we can get me and say and try to give the people my advice to the thinkers. It's not all about say yo give the topic and it's all about the advice after the topic. You don't know new link do it no that way. Tell you a story people and we say you know so something happened there. We all even 2 words new link I go say with positivity if you tell the people and say yo that could have prevented that from happening. How you feel deal with that situation, how you can, you know what I mean, go around certain things, but many people now say that about new link. Whoa, roaster get out of. And no, that one they too loud, man. So many people now see it and they not understand. You understand? So listen, yeah. Some of them are going to blast new links and new link is all about the violence and this, but not like that, man. You understand? So you don't know the thing of people. This is new link from new link production, man. We say attack and to be honest, people right now, there's some things I got to deal with and things. So maybe for a couple of days, you know what I mean, I have a look minor surgery thing for deal with and things, so maybe for a couple of days now I go see I drop the video them like that, and even if I do drop video just go there and maybe my hospital bed or something. You get me as the people, you ain't gonna be long in there. You get them so Friday, so maybe Thursday I'm gonna stay over until Saturday, Sunday, I don't know how long. You get me as but never been there before. Never did know I was, but it's just life, you know what I mean? At a young age or whatever age you be in life, you don't know, you have to try and get yourself firm and fit as much as possible. And for them say, yo, that to make you get more fitter, you have to just go with it. You don't know the thing of people, so just keep new linking on the prayers, man. I don't know the thing gone. Just switch new link, say, speedy recovery when them thing I done sort out and with the back on foot again. 100% enough love, enough respect, and thanks to everyone who support new link. You understand the love, the strength, the encouragement, the positiveness, the everything, a pure roast in the mind. You don't know the thing of people, follow me on Instagram, because maybe I'm going to put up most of my videos them on Instagram and I'm there too, you know what I mean? Follow me on Facebook, same way New Link Production, Instagram New Link Production, Facebook and thing. And don't know, if you don't subscribe yet, please subscribe now, because New Link are the realest. Attack them, peace.